happy today? You're a happy baby boy? Oh, Marcel. Happy Friday, little buddy. Are you up? This baby is so... Hey, honey. Hey, my little bud. Thank you, everyone who is watching this video. It's excuse me, short, but we will be back this weekend. I'm going to take care of the rest of the orders from my Instagram sale today, ladies and gents, but this baby is so adorable. He is one of those little ones that you really don't have any problems with them being cranky or colicky or anything like that. He is just, he wakes up and he is a little bit worried to see where mommy is, but the second he sees me, he gets all happy. Hey. And I have this baby here in my bedroom right now. I haven't been really spending time with my dolls. They were all covered, but I changed them a couple of times last week, and I was posting pictures on Instagram because I've been feeling a little bit better. This is the second day and I'm out of bed, so everything is still kind of like exhausting, but otherwise I'm okay. I want to thank everyone who messaged me and who also posted on my community wall under my post. I received a couple of emails, so thank you everyone, all the ladies out there and gentlemen. I really truly appreciate it. It made my day to read your comments on my post and also messages, mostly on Instagram, so thank you so much. I have been responding to a couple of you. I still have few messages to respond to. I will do that today as well, because I have been tending to my Instagram sale orders. I need to send a couple more invoices, so I will be doing that today. I have been really super late with that. I just got sick right after the sale, so I basically wrapped and sealed everything until I knew my diagnosis, which is fine. I'm not contagious or anything like that. It has nothing to do with the virus or anything. This is just me, my immunity crashing. So I'm okay. So I will be doing that today. Look at him. He has the most precious face. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm going to be talking about bonding. I'm not sure if I will be able to make a video today, but I will definitely be back this weekend because I have a few discussions. I may even go live. I will see how it goes with my breathing. But I just wanted to share our little Marcel, which is Rose Sculpt by Cassie Brace. He's super tiny. And I have him here for a certain reason. I have been trying to really find a strong bond with this baby because he is amazing. He's adorable. I love his little face. It's one of the cutest little small and newborn faces. But the thing is, I just get overwhelmed with when I have multiple dolls, and they all came actually this year. All of my new dolls in my collection, they came basically back to back. So I was having issues with bonding with my new ones. I was pondering actually putting a couple of my dolls for sale. I still excuse me, I still am like pondering. I just need a couple of more days to sit on it and to think, and you know, if it's going to happen, it's going to happen. Some people ask me in comments under a couple of my videos, even recently, like 2 or 3 times, and in my story, where I'm selling my dolls. So the first dips always go to my followers and my friends on Instagram. So every time I sell something, I post it on my personal doll, not personal, on my doll Instagram, and also later on in my store, which is a public account, and maybe even here on my wall. I've never posted anything on my wall about the sale, and I only posted one video when I was showing the details of my Lani, of my tail. But the first dips, or not even the first dips, I don't know, some convoluted, but I just excuse me, the first people who know are people who are following me on Instagram, ladies and gents. I prefer it that way because I kind of know who follows me there, and I have many returning buyers or collectors or friends from the community there, and I prefer to sell that way. I may make a selling video, but I would just I will definitely post the dolls there on Instagram. So yeah, that's about that. So if I decide to sell some babies, I will definitely be posting them on Instagram within a couple of days. That's it about that. And yeah, I will be back, or we will be back, Charlie and the babies. We will be back with that discussion. Actually, I have 2 topics that I would like to address. One is more serious and one is more like fun. I would like to go maybe perhaps even live with the fun topic, so we can all hang out for an hour, or no, I will see how it goes with my breathing. But anyways, ladies, I want to again thank you for being here, for all your kind and heartfelt wishes. I mean, it really, each one of them made my day, so I'm very, very grateful. So thank you again, and thank you again for not going anywhere. Hopefully you will be back for my live streams and for my discussions, and I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's much healthier than I am right now, because I'm not exactly the picture of perfect health, but we're getting there. So yeah, thank you so much. I want to wish you a wonderful, fun Friday and wonderful weekend, and we will see you in our next video or live stream. Thank you. Bye. Marcel, say bye.